I'm going to show you how to bypass paywall on website. Let's go. So if you got a website like this, the New York Times, and you got this pop-up and you want to skip it, click on these three dots, next settings, then go privacy and security, scroll all the way down, size settings, next JavaScript. I recommend to not turn off JavaScript here, because if you turn off JavaScript here and you go on Google, they're gonna force you to turn on JavaScript. So what I recommend is just use it for this website. So I'm gonna simply take this URL like this, and I'm gonna add a new site here. Here we go, newyorktimes.com. And here I'm gonna show you, if I refresh this page, the pop-up will disappear. And this is how can you turn off paywalls. But remember guys, you can turn off only this pop-up, so you can read the article until they force you to turn on JavaScript. So I know it's not gonna bypass the subscription or the paywall totally, but you can only bypass this window so you can read the article from the beginning. And if you are interested in, you can just simply go and subscribe and put your email or information there. That's it. Thank you. See you later and have a nice day. Bye bye.